3 of the easiest things you can do for sciatica are right in front of you. It's so basic, but so effective, and you might even feel frustrated that you didn't know about this sooner. And these require no money, minimal effort, and minimal time, but could completely transform your pain and life forever. Now, my name is Dr. Grant Elliott, and we've helped thousands of people all over the world with low back pain, disc herniation, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And although most of the time I'm teaching you rehab efforts to resolve your pain and to get bulletproof, today I'm actually going to find the easiest recommendations I could possibly make, even for someone who doesn't feel like putting in hardly any effort. But these could make a drastic change in your life. Now, first off, what is sciatica? Sciatica is a general term that just means pain radiating down the back of your leg in the path of the sciatic nerve. Your sciatic nerve is the biggest nerve in your body with a diameter of up to 2 centimeters. And this thing can cause a ton of pain. It can cause various symptoms like numbness and tingling into the leg, foot, or toes, burning, electric shock, or you might just notice a pulling or aching sensation, especially when you've been sitting for long periods, bending over to put on socks and shoes, or maybe you try to stretch that leg and you feel that extra pulling through that particular leg. Or my favorite, the feeling 80 years old standing up because it takes you a few seconds to stand upright. These are very common symptoms a lot of the clients we work with experience related to sciatica. So if a few of these symptoms ring a bell, you're in the right place. So the first super easy thing that we can begin implementing to help reduce your pain is structured morning walks. Now here is why. When we first wake up, when we get out of bed, many of you might notice that your low back or your leg feel extra painful or extra tight. This is due to something called imbibition, which is that your discs swell in size overnight because they resorb more water because you are laying on your back. Gravity is no longer compressing your spine and has a chance to resorb water like a sponge that's not being stepped on. So when you first get out of bed, these discs that are now larger than normal could be pushing on a nerve more than normal. Or the joints in your back that have now swelled and are containing more fluid might feel stiffer. And this is almost always why individuals feel like it takes a few steps to get moving in the morning and they feel extra tight. So one of the best things you can do is immediately get your body moving to reduce the inflammation and to get this excess fluid moving throughout your body. So by getting outside and going on a morning walk, you accomplish various things. Of course, you're getting in a form of exercise, which is great for everything. You're starting your day with movement. You're increasing your blood flow. That includes blood flow to your nerve to get inflammation out of that area. But also you're getting many other benefits. You're getting mental health benefits of being outside in nature and moving. Also, by being exposed more to the sun and getting the sun on your skin or into your eyes, you're accomplishing a ton of things. You're increasing wound healing. You're increasing metabolism. You're increasing serotonin production, which is our happy hormone. You're reducing melatonin, which is going to help reduce that afternoon slump and give you more energy to be active. And getting additional sun exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm cycles, which are your sleep-wake cycles. And you will sleep better. And when you sleep better, you reduce your pain. So although there are some individuals we work with that actually feel worse standing long periods or worse with walking, many of you dealing with sciatica or back pain would do amazing by just starting a simple 10 to 15 minute morning walk and evening walk. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. And now super easy thing number 2 for your sciatica pain is belly breathing. Yes, the way you breathe can affect your nervous system and the amount of pain you feel and even the stability of your core and spine. Many people are stuck in a chest breathing pattern and we no longer effectively use our diaphragms or create good pressure in our belly. But really we should be having very relaxed belly breathing throughout the day. When you are in pain, you can become very tense, especially all of your low back muscles, and your nervous system can become very sensitive too. This can result in dysfunctional breathing patterns. But by practicing belly breathing and re-regulating this pattern, it can actually calm down your nervous system, reduce your sensitivity. It can also relax the muscles in your lower back and around your core that can increase tension on your lower back. And it can improve core stability by teaching you how to maintain more pressure in your abdomen to create what's called intra-abdominal pressure. which is when you create a barrel of pressure inside your belly with certain exercises or even getting back into the gym and lifting to have more stability around your spine, get out of pain now, and avoid any injury or pain into the future. So for this, I recommend laying on your back, propping your legs up onto a chair or a couch, putting one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, so you can focus on the top hand not moving, only the bottom hand moving, and concentrate for at least 5 minutes on just deep, rhythmic belly breathing, getting deeper and deeper into the abdomen over time. Feeling the belly expand as you inhale and collapse as you exhale. Do this in the morning, even in the afternoon and at night. If you can do 3 sessions a day, that would be amazing for establishing this pattern and calming down your nervous system. Now last, the third easiest option, this is easiest of the 3, is if you are working at home or you're in an environment where you don't really care what people are thinking about you, I recommend you begin working as much as you can on your stomach. So if you're on your phone or if you're typing out or working on documents or whatever on your computer, lay on your stomach, prop up on your elbows, and work in this position. Many individuals who are struggling with sciatica pain, it's derived from a disc bulge or herniation pushing onto the nerve. Now, many of these discs are what's called flexion intolerant, which they will deal with symptoms that I referenced earlier, such as pain bending forward, pain sitting long periods, pain stretching the nerve. These are all flexion-based tasks. And this is the most common motion that can exacerbate disc symptoms, which can exacerbate sciatic nerve pain. So by getting into extension, you can actually reverse the pressure on the disc, reduce the pressure on the nerve, and therefore reduce your pain. So by resting in this extended position, you don't have to do anything. You just continue working in this position, and it can slowly help move that disc the direction we want it to go to take pressure off the nerve and surrounding tissues. And you might even notice while you're laying there that your nerve pain is just getting less and less and less. Or after you've been in this position for a period of time, you go to stand up and do something else, and you'll just notice, hey, you know what? My back or my leg is not hurting as much. Many of you will feel this way, and it is such an easy way to get in the right movement for your spine to begin getting the relief that you're after. Now, wait a minute. These are some of the easiest things you can do to begin to work on your pain today. However, there is one thing that's even easier. It's easier than trying to continue to find the right things on your own. It's easier than even doing some morning or afternoon walks and doing belly breathing. It's so easy that our clients achieve on average 37% reduction in their pain in as little as 1 session, and others completely reducing their pain in as little as 15 days. The easiest thing you can do to resolve your sciatica pain as quickly as possible is knowing exactly what to do. And you can learn exactly what you need to do through our centralization process. So if you're tired of saving tons of videos on the internet to never actually use them and guessing what to do on your own, and you'd like to dive deeper with me, then just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 to get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues using my centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally get rid of your pain and live the life that you deserve. And after you do that, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram for more free daily videos and guides and learning more about what I'm doing in my life to be healthy and live without back pain. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.